name is Troy Boy from Jim Again the channel, and today we've got some crisps. These are Space Raiders. Me and you are still going to have some. I haven't had crisps for so long. So yeah, we're going to eat some Space Raiders together. Let's try one each. It smells really nice. Let's have one. Yum, it tastes really nice. Oops, oh my goodness. Oh, it fell right back in my pocket. Nice, nice. Alright. So yeah, let's just turn to one of these. There it is. There we go. Give you 2 more Eurostar. Yeah. And Eurostar's finished them. That's good, Eurostar. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. So goodbye from me. Goodbye from Eurostar. See you in the next video. Goodbye.